Hey guys, we made it. So I've been telling you previously that we had something exciting to do, and we made it. It's a friend of mine that we've done a lot of work for. He's always had some challenging stuff. By far, this is the most challenging thing I've seen. I honestly don't even know if we can do it. We're gonna find out right now. The windows are super curvy. I brought all my best guys. I brought a whole team with me. I think it's gonna put a lot of pressure on even their ability. I wanna show it to you. It's called a 206 Long Ranger. It's a helicopter. Can you imagine going to work in this thing? Come on now. This is exciting. Look at those big old blades. I think this thing kicks high. Look at this. He said they were a little curved. That's probably the most amount of curve. Normally on something like this, we would remove the glass to tint it. I don't think that's possible. I don't think we want to get into that. We're gonna do the back passenger area, maybe a little brow. It should be pretty exciting. All the guys are super excited to come. We're all super hyped up. We always like trying to find something hard to do. Whether they like it, they like to challenge themselves. So whoever can pull this off is, I guarantee you, we'll be talking a lot about it. But this is cool. This is what I'm talking about. Powered by Rolls Royce. That is gangster. That's so thug. Come on, man. All right, we'll see what the guys can do, and we'll see you on the other side of this thing. It's all done. We just finished our first helicopter. Sho Me Tint, Andre, Ramon, Lewis, Austin. We brought the whole crew down here, and we knocked it out. It's kind of a custom thing. We didn't know what we got into, and it turned out really nice. We ended up adding some tint back here and a couple pieces to the visor. I think it's all done. If I could know how to close this thing, there's like a special way to close it and a special way to open it. All kinds of fun stuff. This was really challenging. This part up here, it looks like it's all different angles because it's so curvy. But we measured it out. It's super on point. So it's all done, yeah. The customer's super happy with it. This is his daily commuter, you know what I mean? So he's got to go to work every day in this thing. Can you imagine how fun that would be? Be like, oh man, I got to go to work. That takes the drive out of it and just fly there. You know what I mean? Like James Bond or something. That's pretty cool. Oh yeah, these things are hot. That ended up turning out really well. These ended up being super challenging. We went through several tries and a lot of different techniques, but we ended up coming up with one that worked, and we're super happy with it, and we're glad to get it done for the customer today. So we stayed a little late. It's kind of later than we were expecting, but we committed the job, got it done. It's all done. We're super hyped about it. That's it, man. We're taking it to the air now. Land, sea, air. What's next? You'll have to tune in and find out.